Yo, what's up? If you're joining me today and wondering why my valve cover is not on the engine, here's why. So today I'm going to be wrinkling my valve cover black. So I got this in AutoZone, and believe it or not, this is the last one, so I think it was meant to be. And then Rust-Oleum aircraft removal, they also had the can, but I was not paying $52 for it. This was actually $17, and I think that's still pricey, but we're going ahead and paint the valve cover today. Gloves ready. Mask and some goggles. I don't want to be breathing that crap in. I don't want it in my eyes. Maybe I'm obese, but let's get it. Alright, I just finished pressure washing it. So you can see not a lot of it came out. So now I'm about to go ahead and hit it second time. Alright, so I went ahead and stripped it. I gave it 2 strips of aircraft removal. Sorry I saw muffle. I got a mask on. And this is the best I can get it. There's still some paint left. I hit it with some sandpaper, some lightly sandpaper. Just to remove the gloss or any flakes that I had. And now I'm going to go ahead and tape off the spots. Come, let's get this. Alright, first go with quite very gently. Let's wait 10 minutes and go again. Alright, I went ahead and moved it because of the wind and I was getting a lot of stuff in the paint, so waited 10 minutes. Now round 2, let me shake the bottle. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, coat 2, wait another 10 minutes. Alright, time for the third and final coat. kind of get the bottom pretty wet. And that's all she wrote. That's the third and final coat, and I'm gonna let dry for 2 hours. Alright, here you go, the finished product. I already went ahead and mounted it on. And I should have, I mean the wrinkle's a little bit on the top, but I was reading the can, and apparently you have to kind of give it a heavy spray. So, or if not, you can just heat it up, which I did a little bit, but now I don't have a heat gun. But it's fine, man. It's not a show car. It'll do the job. But remember, if you want the flakes, you know, the wrinkle, because I mean you can see a little bit the wrinkles, but on here it's not as wrinkly as I thought it was going to be. But on the top it's not that bad. I mean there's some wrinkle spots. But yeah, so I was just reading, you need to give it really heavy coats, which I didn't give them that heavy coats as needed, but that's all I need. And then I went ahead and painted this as well, because if you pull it you can still see the orange, but it's fine. I saw it had like gasket, like some O-rings, and I'm gonna have to take them out, so I decided not to. So I just painted the top of it. It's fine. So I went ahead and primered it as well, and then I hit it with some perfect match paint. I want to say it was like GM gray, charcoal gray or something like that. It's fine. I mean, just give it, because I really don't like the orange that sticks out of the engine bay, so I went ahead and painted it that. So yeah, hopefully you guys like the upgrade. Thanks for watching.